Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and another in the how-to series. So I thought I'd do this video because this is quite a cool feature that I found on Garmin not too long ago. So it's something called Courses, and basically on the Garmin Connect app, and I find that it's best done on sort of like a laptop or a computer. You can devise your own course because particularly I found that in sort of lockdown it's been really difficult to find new routes because, you know, let's be honest, from our house, from your front door, everyone has their 5k loop, their sort of 4-mile loop, then you'll have like a 10k loop and then sort of like a long run loop. And you have those loops and you kind of just default to those all the time because that's all you know. But in lockdown, you know, you have to be a bit more creative so you're not doing the same thing again and again and again. So I found this really cool thing that you can do on the Connect app. Basically, you can map out your own course, and also as well I've just used it for if I've needed to map out long runs. So it's a really good way to find a new route. You then send it to your watch and basically you can have some fun and explore your area in a different way. So I'll show you how to do it. So first things off, you head into your Garmin Connect app. So I'm just waiting for it to load, and this is done on my laptop. So we head over to the sort of menu, training, and down to courses. So here we are, it's going to load the map where I run the most. You can head up here and it's got different tabs, so you can select running, cycling, it'll come up with the routes for that. Here you can then select your sort of distance, so you can then select whether you want to do long or far, and then you can look at elevation too. So on the left hand side is all of the routes that I have created in the past. So they're lined up there, and then I'm going to head down to the blue button and create a new course. You can either have your own one or you can do a round trip, and you have to select an option, so whether it's going to be running or cycling. So we're going to do a round trip to start off with. We're going to head into Willen Lake, which is a popular destination in Milton Keynes, and then just select the point that you want to start from, and there it will automatically create you a course. And then on the side you can change how far you want to go. So just going to change it distance, and there we go, it's come up with a route. And then also you can change the direction, so from the point that you've selected it will then take you in a different direction if you want to go north, east, south or west. So there we go, that's a southerly route, shall we call it. And then there we go, we're just going to hit save, and then you've created a new route, and there you go, as easy as that. So you might have selected, say, 10 miles, but it will come back at sort of a rough. Okay, now we're going to try this by creating our own routes. This is where you sort of can plot it out a bit more. So this is custom. So I think we're going to head back to Willen again. But here you can also use sort of like an out and back, a loop. So yeah, back to our trusty Willen Lake. We're going to select the point that we want to start from. And then from here, you just map it out and you click the sort of direction you want to go. And on the side, on the left-hand side, you can see that it's starting to sort of total up how far it is. So if you've got sort of like a 5k route that you want to map out, you can do that easily. And then if you want to, you can then obviously do longer. Now look, I've come into a bit of a problem here. So what you're going to do is you head to undo, takes it back, and then you can redraw your route again. Then here we go, I've created just over 5k, nice little loop for me to do around Willen Lake. So I'm going to hit save again, create the new course, and then it goes into the list on the side of all of the courses that I've got. So I find that it's easy to send it to the device via the app on my phone. So we've gone to training, courses, you find the course that you've just created, and then the 3 dots at the top, you click send to device, click your watch, and then you sync your watch and it's there ready for you to go. Okay, so this will only work with watches that have the courses or maps feature, but I'm going to click run, then we go up to our options, courses, I've got all of the devices or routes that have been loaded to this device. So we'll click, let's go for the deer park. You do the course, and there we go. So I'm going to head out that way and enjoy my run.